Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archambault. Illustrated by Luce Alert. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. We said D to E, F, G. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming, L M N O P. And Q R S and T U V. Still more, W and X Y Z. The whole alphabet up to, oh no! Chicka chicka boom boom. Skit scat scoodle doot. Flip flop flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and then dust their pants. Help us! Up! Cried ABC. Next, from the pile-up skinned knee D and stubbed toe E and pedged up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped, N is stooped. O is twisted, L-E-oop. Skit scat scoodle doot, flip flop flee. Look who's coming, it's Black-Eyed P, Q-R-S and Loose Toot T. Then U-V-W, wiggle jiggle free. Last two come, X-Y-Z, and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But chicka chicka boom boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom.